Hi, welcome to this Columbus product demonstration. Today, we would like to show you how easy it is to use Microsoft Lifecycle Services with RapidValue. Before we start, I would like to give you an understanding of the difference between BPM and ALM. BPM is a systematic approach to modeling, automation, execution, control, measurement, and optimization of business activity flows in support of enterprise goals. Application Lifecycle Management is the governance and maintenance of a software application throughout development, deployment, and use. However, when using these solutions together, RapidValue and LCS help Dynamics AX customers align technology with strategic goals, mitigate implementation risk, drive system adoption, and optimize software efficiency throughout the ERP lifecycle. Better together. Let's take a look at how RapidValue can support an integrated flow with lifecycle services to basically create an end-to-end scenario from business process management point of view, all the way down from defining the model and managing the business process model in RapidValue into LCS. So now let's continue our journey exploring LCS and RapidValue as two powerful solutions for Dynamics AX. I find myself here in the Customer Solution area, and I am configuring my business integration for the shop floor for Fabricam. That's a customer solution I'm working on right now. As you can see here, I just wanted to highlight that I can publish a bunch of documents here, which ultimately will end up in a file folder or into a document site that I can publish from here. And basically, as I move to LCS, my same Fabricam LCS environment here, that I can directly jump into from the tile on the menu bar there in my RapidValue solution. I can also set up a SharePoint online site, and all the published documentation we discussed just a minute ago in RapidValue will then be automatically uploaded and available through the business process library here. So that is a great combination of things using SharePoint as a document repository, both for RapidValue as well as for LCS. One document repository for both BPM sites as well as the project controlling site and ALM site with LCS. So I have already created my business process library. You can see that in another video. And now I basically want to use that library in LCS. If I want to check my asset library now, I have actually imported my BPM artifacts. They're right here. And if I move to the BPM artifact, which is created in an asset library item in LCS, I can see my shop floor setup here. I can click on it and it brings me directly into the model that I've imported from RapidValue. And I can then navigate through that and see all the details here and so forth. So that's of course good to know because builds of a solid repository in LCS, managing all the content coming from RapidValue. That's not all. I think also as we move to the various components within LCS, there is a very important capability within the LCS solutions environment, where it is possible to build your usage profile. Usage Profiler is a service in LCS that helps you in this case, in my journey for Fabricam, to essentially make sure that the definition of how I want to use that particular upgrade or that particular project rollout that I want to do here. I want to make sure that all the usage profiling is in place and in process. So right now in the Usage Profiler here, as you can see, one of the things I need to do is actually import from BPM. And doing that basically means that various questions, various parts of the business process, as indicated here as well, can be imported as part of the usage profile, can actually influence the deployment details that I want to set up. So it's pretty clear what the Fabricam manufacturing environment is all about. So let me hit this button here. Now, it basically retrieves the BPM data in LCS that I got from RapidValue. That's part of the process. And there could be various questions now in here that relate to that particular model, and that can help me to profile the solution as such, and then I say mark as complete. Basically, I can essentially say that our setup here is then in place, and usage profile is completed as part of the overall process flow definition, and the application definition that goes along with that. I'd like to close down with the fact that as we move on, I think the business process modeler integration with RapidValue BPM powers up LCS in such a way that we can keep on building innovative business processes in RapidValue, bring that into the business process modeler, and connecting different areas that will depend on the business process modeler in LCS in the right way, like the usage profiler, like the connection to the assets library. And in the future, as more things will pivot around the business process in the LCS as well, that integration will be more profound. Thank you for watching this demo, showing you the value when LCS and RapidValue are integrated. For more information, please visit www.columbusglobal.com.